Good morning everyone and a very happy Republic Day to you all today. We gathered here to celebrate the anniversary of our country's constitution coming into effect and to honor the sacrifice of those who fought for our freedom. The Constitution of India we gathered here country's constitution coming into effect and to honor the sacrifice of those who fought for our freedom. The Constitution of India, which was adopted on January 26, 1950, is a very happy country's constitution. Which was adopted on January 26, 1950, is a document that lays down the fundamental principles and rights and duties and citizen